everyone, welcome to BN Bioscience. Myself Vishnupriya Naik. Today we are going to discuss on monogamy. It is one of the interesting topic of animal behavior. It comes under the mating groups. So let's start. Mating groups. Males and females they form mating relationship in a way best enhances their reproductive success. As we all know that organisms they have been tendency to take on their gene to the next generations. So for that they generally reproduces by sexual method. It is the best method through which they pass on their gene to the next generations and which show variations which is the raw material of evolutions. For that the male and the female they choose the opposite partner for mating purposes. Okay, so mating groups have been classified into three categories. First one is monogamy, second is polygamy, third is promiscuity. So let's discuss one by one. First is monogamy. Monogamy. It is the simplest mating system as it involves small number of animals. So it is a prolonged association that means it is the association between the male and the female partner for a very long period of time. So it is the exclusive mating relationship between one male and one female at a time. So one male and one female they even remain together to rear their offspring for a season or for lifetime. So such organisms are called monogamous organisms. It is seen in about 90% of birds, less than 4% of mammals they perform monogamy and 20% of human societies they show monogamous type of reproduction. So here if one mate they get dies then the partner they choose it for the new mate. The new mate get accepted. So it is for example it is in gibbon. So the typical monogamous pairs here some examples are given. For example dik-dik, eagle. These animals they performs monogamous type of mating groups. Red foxes, beavers they also performs monogamy. Then classification of monogamy. Monogamy classified into three categories based on different criteria. The first criteria is male parental investment. Second is extent of territoriality. Third is temporal relationship. On these criteria, the monogamy are classified into different types. So let's discuss the first one, male parental investment. So here the monogamy is distinguished into three types based on the male parental investment. Here the criteria that is the how much the male parent they invest for the development of the offspring. So according to this monogamy is classified into three types. The first one is facultative monogamy, second is obligate monogamy, third is more male investment monogamy. So the first one is facultative monogamy. Here the male parental investment is less than the female parental investment. That means here the male parents they give less attention to the offsprings. Okay, they just mate with the female one to give birth the babies. Okay, to take on the gene to the next generation for their reproductive success, and all the works they basically done by the female parental investment. For example, Bewick's swans, wood duck. So here is wood duck. Here the two pairs, the male and the female one. So the female they give more time to the offsprings as compared to the male one. Second one is obligate monogamy. Here the main parental investment is equal to the female parental investment. So both the parents they equally give attention to the offsprings. They equally rear their offsprings. It is seen in pelicans, Canada geese, herring gulls. You can see here haringles, these are couples. Next one is more male investment monogamy. As the name suggests here, the male parental investment is more than the female parental investment. Here it is seen in emperor and golden lion tamarin. These are the endangered species and basically found in Brazil, where the male they give more attention to the offsprings as compared to the female. The children's or the offsprings they goes to the female only at the time of their feeding period. You can see here golden lion tamarin. So the second criteria is extent of territoriality. So based on this criteria, monogamy has been distinguished into two types: territorial monogamy, female defense monogamy. The first one is territorial monogamy. So both the male and female they shares a common territory and defend territory. Okay, so they choose the male and female they choose a territory to live for the lifetime or for a particular season or for breeding seasons, and they defend this territory and they defend their offsprings. For example, golden lion tamarin, Indri, gibbon. So you can see here gibbon, Indri. So the next type is female defense monogamy. Here each male they takes possession on a female and defends her instead of defending the territory. In the previous category we have studied that they defend the territory, but here the male they take the possessions of a female one and they basically defend their female's partner. Okay, and they defend less on the territory. So next one is temporal relationship. It is the third criteria. Based on the temporal relationship, monogamy classified into two categories. So it is related to the time. So annual or serial monogamy, permanent or perennial monogamy. So annual or serial monogamy. So here the male and the female make a bond for one breeding season or for a year. It is only for 1 year. So it is seen in small passerine birds, sparrow, warblers, chickadees. You can see here the sparrow couples. Then second your second type is permanent or perennial monogamy. So here the male and the female they usually remain together for lifetime. It is very nice one. Here the male female they remain forever together. So it is seen in kittiwake, swans, geese, eagles, Siberian crans, gibbons. You can see here Siberian crans they used to remain together for the lifetimes. So thank you friends for watching the session. Hope you enjoy it. You will discuss the remaining parts in the next sessions. If you have any doubts, queries, you can comment me in the comment box or you can mail me in the email ID given in the description box. If you still have not liked the channel, then like it, share it and subscribe it for more notifications. And hope you enjoy the session. So you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Jai Hind.